don't feed him, he's not going to serve you long. Right?
If the couples back can't stop,
No, but when we are talking about actually something.
This is the discussion, people. I think this one we're gonna title it Sex Talk with Madam May. Madam May is giving us some reality tips here. That's my uncle wife. You think she easy?
When you don't do it every time you enjoy, you want the man wants you.
Why you not to do it every time? Because you have to do it every time.
You're not going to enjoy it all the time.
You enjoy it all the time.
Are your husband? He's my husband, of course, and I love him dearly. But I'm not going to allow him to sex me every night.
Why?
Because I want to enjoy it when I do it.
So this video was recorded in our native dialect, which is Patois. I've interjected as I've now ended my captioning, and I will now leave you to listen carefully to this discussion. Please feel free to leave your comments in the comment section. I would love to hear your views. I leave you now to carry on listening. Bless up. You enjoy it when you do it, even when you do it every time, same way.
You're not going to enjoy it every time.
Yes, you have to do it all the time. Ross, every time, right? That's right. Yes, Madam May. Madam May, you agree with that? All the time. Let me hear you say all the time.
The wife never say no. Then you know say a true because you see children. State by state. Too much. Because you must spend your husband, pen him up in a house that you know go jump over a fence and go out. But that's you spending the husband. Yes, and I tell you so well. You could have stopped by your neck and display. You could have stopped by your neck and put 2 foot in the air like with a balloon. If you
That a sum. Hear that? That a sum. That a sum.
Yes, if you want
She's talking from her own experience.
Some of them love their wife and their woman so till I was with you.
You're talking from your own experience, Jean. You know what works for you. Goody. That's right.
No, then I remember say, I am here to teach Empress.
Yes.
Sister Lana already have our children, them.
Yes.
Ines already have you.
Yes.
When see one here we're supposed to take from we are now.
Yes.
When we learn it. Right after yes.
I'm not putting her on the vlog. Big up yourself. I am saying no. I'm not saying yes. What you say about that?
Yes, yes, all the time.
Yes. Yes, all the time. Never say no.
Never say no.
Madam May, you're a married lady. You're married to my uncle few much years.
Remember, say,
How many years have my uncle married from me, Jean? Jeannie?
All great grandmother.
Yes. I hold all great grandmother teach you these things. How many years you married to my uncle from me, Jean?
30 odd years.
30 odd years. Till death do us part. She a goodie man.
78.
She married 78. Nice. Good girl. Big up yourself, man. Madam May, I'm talking to you. Madam May, give me a minute, please, darling. What did you say? I'm a married person. So I mustn't tell my husband no? I mustn't tell him no? Why I can't tell him no? And suppose I don't feel well, I can't tell him no? Madam May. I hope you enjoyed the discussion, and that was Sex Talk live and direct from my mother's veranda in Jamaica. So addressing the question, is there a bun in the oven? Well, there is no bun in the oven. And I've chosen to come out and talk about this because throughout my filming, it was something that I was very conscious of. And as a mother and as one who has actually gone through a cesarean section for my last 2 children, which are twins, I've noticed that ever since I've had that surgery, I've always had a high tummy. So there's no bun in the oven, and I'm sure there are a lot of mothers out there who can relate to this. Blessed love, and that was Sex Talk. I'm out for now. Real Empress Yuda.